Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, 2024. We're going up with the market. We're looking for about a 70 cents to $1 run. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. 555 H pattern, Fibonacci, lightning to the upside. This is a C-type retracement, which means since it's early in the move, if it only gets to the high of the day and fails, we'll pull profits. If it accelerates past the high of the day, we might hold out to see if we can get a full dollar. The price is starting to slow down as it's encroaching on the high of the day, so if the next price bar on the 1 minute gets back up to the high of the day, we'll just pull profits. There's a low probability we'll get that full dollar. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, 73-cent move. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, May 28th, 2024, and we're going up with the market. H pattern, wide state, lightning to the upside. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. H pattern, 555, wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ. Order filled.
There's a $1.14 move.
Order filled.
We're going back up with the market. This is a continuation. We're taking the second leg on this move. Reverse H pattern, moving average bounce, slingshot. Fibonacci, reverse H, lightning to the upside. 555, reverse H, lightning to the upside. We're expecting the price to run up to the 200 moving average on the 1 minute chart. Once we get there, we'll decide on whether we're going to take profits or not.
Order filled.
And there's an 84-cent move, ladies and gentlemen. So the first one was $1.14. The second one was 84 cents for a grand total on two legs, $1.98.